Hello students, welcome back to Luminary Academy, and today I'll be solving question 9 of class 10th chapter number 8 trigonometry. Okay, and exercise is 8.1. So let's solve these questions and let's see how it goes. So in this triangle ABC, it is right angle at B, so we can make a triangle and that is right angle at B. So form it like this, and it is given that tan A is 1 by root 3, right? So take it as A, B, and this is C, and this is our theta because A is given, so tan A will be basically tan theta, right? And you know that through proper brushing, so you know that perpendicular is 1 and base is root 3, right? So this is root 3. Now you need to find AC first. So by PGT, how can you find it? Very easy. You need to do the AC square. I'm doing directly. Then this is 1 square and this is root 3 square, so it is 1 plus 3. So AC is equals to under root of 1 plus 3, so under root of 4, because we need to find AC, not AC square. So AC will be equal to 2, right? So we got the value as 2, right? Now what you need to do is you need to find sine. See, now there is a change in angle, so first we'll just find all the ratios first, so it will be easy for us to solve. Okay, so let's find first sine A. So you know that if this is theta, so some people have, and because this is angle A, so this will be our perpendicular and this will be our hypotenuse, so 1 by 2, right? Now you need to find cos A. So cos A, some people have curly black hair, so black is root 3, hair is 2, so black hair, that means root 3 by 2. So we got this two angle. Now you are required sin C and cos C. So let's first find sin C. So if you want to find sin C, there is a twist here, that in the sin C you need to make this angle as theta, so this will be your perpendicular, and in this case this will be your base, right? So what you will be doing is some people have, so in this case people will be root 3 and have will be 2, so root 3 by 2, and cos C accordingly will change, because cos C means base upon hypotenuse, so base will now become 1 and hypotenuse will be 2 only, so it will be 1 by 2, right? We got all the ratios. Now we need to solve this one. So first one I am solving here. So first part, that is sin A. You know that sin A is 1 by 2, it is given here, into cos C. You know that cos C is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2, then plus cos A. Cos A is root 3 by 2, right? And sin C is again root 3 by 2. So by this way what we can do is 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 times 2 is 4, and root 3 into root 3 is 3, and 2 times 2 will be 4. So take the LCM as common 4, so 3 plus 1 4 upon 4, that is 1 upon 1, and our final answer is 1. Okay, so we got the answer of A part. Now we'll need to solve the B part, right? So in the B part it is given that cos A cos C, so cos A and cos C, these two are already here, cos A and cos C, so root 3 by 2 multiply with cos C, that is 1 by 2, and this is a sign is negative, so what we can do is, this is a negative sign, so I'll be putting negative sign here, right? And sin A sin C, so 1 by 2 multiply with root 3 by 2. So you can see that both the values are same, so you can write root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, so answer will be 0. Okay, so I hope you got this question, students. It is quite easy and it's easy to understand. So first important thing is you need to find all the ratios and then you need to solve this. So I hope you understand and you got this question. So keep watching, share with your friend.